guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a home haul for you guys. I went shopping just to get some stuff for the new house. So I moved out. It probably would have been a full month, if not a couple of weeks, by the time you guys have seen this video, and I just thought that it would be cute just to let you guys see what I'm getting, especially for the bedroom, because I'm not going to be doing a tour of my actual bedroom, but instead I'll show you guys like the living room, the kitchen, the whole way. I'll probably show you guys my bathroom as well, because I'm doing a nice little theme. But just so you guys have an understanding as to why I got the stuff that I got, it's because I'm going for like a boohoo minimalistic Scandinavian theme in my bedroom. So I really want everything to be like farmhouse kind of vibe, but not too farmhouse. So yeah, that's the vibe right now. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I got. But before we get into the intro, if you are new here, please hit the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it if you could just subscribe to the channel. It takes a lot of work to do YouTube. And let's get into the haul. So first of all, most of this stuff I actually ordered online. I didn't really go in store to do shopping. You guys would have known we actually went to IKEA, myself and Lissania. Well, Lissania and I, we went to IKEA. So we already saw everything that we wanted. So now everything that we do shop for is mostly online, other than the few occasions that we may go to TK Maxx and actually go in store to get stuff. So this I got online. I got from Wayfair. This is a lamp for my bedroom. She cute though. She cute bad. She nice. She nice. I'm showing her. I may have to stand up so you guys can get the full image. Let me just go back a bit. So this is what it looks like. At the moment, I don't have a side table, so it just stands up on the floor. And even then, it's already a own space and I know it's supposed to do. So I'm just showing it on the table. Look how nice. Look how nice. So this I give me all of the vibe I want. I'm really going for like white, browns, like earthy tones, everything nude, like you understand? And this is everything from the texture. Cause that the bedroom, it's carpeted. So I wanted something to like just add a bit of texture up on a higher level. So I'm going to go for a little rope. You understand? I like it though. I got this from Wayfair and they have it in 2 sizes. This is the larger size, and they do have a smaller one. If I can find the link, I'll definitely leave it in the description box below. But this is what she looks like. This is probably one of my favorite purchases so far. And whenever anyone comes in my room, they're just like, wow, like your lamp is everything. What else do I have to show you guys? Okay, so I also got a scale. I got this scale from Amazon, and I'm about to start my fitness journey. I really want to take my health more seriously, so I thought let me get a scale so I can see what my weight is, and I can check my BMI and stuff like that. So this purchase is from Amazon. I don't think it costs £20, so it's pretty decent. And I think it comes, I think a battery use. Let me see. So I use battery, but I'm not using a battery yet, so I'm gonna have to buy a battery, and then I'm going to go weigh myself and see where I'm going. And then the other thing is I'm going to be starting my weight gain journey. I think I could probably gain probably about 3 to 5 more pounds. It probably not gonna take a lot for me to gain, but I really want the weight to go into certain areas. So I'm going to be working out just to like tone my body. I really want to be a bit fitter, because right now I'm lazy bad, I'm slow. So more, tone up the body and get fit a little bit, and then we can come back. So that's that. I need to put the garbage over there. Another favorite purchase of mine are these cereal distillers. This is a gift from Deja, my cousin. You guys know her. She got us this at our one-off or home warming this. And so this is gonna just lift up the place. You understand? This is gonna give me a nice little bougie vibes. Look on her. Look on it. This nice bag. Let me mama try and wrap her. When you feel full, I made that. Okay, I'm see 2 little battery. I feel like this is the battery for the scale, so I'm gonna weigh myself. And if you guys are interested in joining me on my weight gain journey. Make sure that you follow me at _JAYXOS on Instagram. Now let's get into this distiller. Let's see how it goes. I like how it look already now. I'm gonna fit it up and I'm gonna show you. So we got 2 of them because you know where me and sis live. So 1 for me, 1 for sis. I'm gonna try the rest on this one. I want everything I mash up so far. What? It's in my lap and I'm trying to assemble it, guys. I'm gonna say for the man. I'm gonna like struggle. Nice. For the base there, so the base here. This is the base. No goodie. What the next one? Them see how this look. This touch bad. What the next bad? Oh. Backside. Wanna see what I want? Wanna see what I want? No, girl. More put in the conflicts in that. No, I'm gonna put in the conflicts in that. I'm gonna put it in. Lisania! How is this going now? I just had to show you the cereal dispenser.
Oh wow!
I put it up together. I ate this. Are the good things.
This is like a no, Derika.
It didn't.
No.
I was probably put her in the corner. I go by yourself. No, she can't go there. She have to go by yourself.
You know the corner right there. So when you pass and go somewhere.
And you look at it. You're gonna say what? I go say no.
No man, this proper.
This bring off the kitchen and then the black and the silver too?
No, this is proper.
It just match the soap.
No, this is proper.
This nice. These are thanks.
You can put them in there.
Me I put
So you're not excited to put them in there right now?
You're not for us? Take them one now?
We're not wash our road.
Match my energy now? Or wash our road? Which one?
Probably wash our road. No man, she's nice.
I say I have to call you.
Yeah.
And it's like a boost you up, don't it? Yeah, the house are come together. The house are come and listen here. This is no one eat some cereal right now. I don't know hungry more than the cereal. Yeah, nice. Then I got some gift. I got some skincare which I needed, so I can have this in the bathroom. This is just a hand cream. Let me try to see if you guys can come closer. Yeah, here. This is nice. Cool. This is what's this? Glow boosting moisturizer. I'm going to try this in the morning. I don't normally use a lot of skincare. Like my skin is just like naturally nice. Like it's the genetics. I can't lie to you. It's my genetics, my mama. Thank you, mama. I have some exfoliating gloves, so I'm also going to give these to my guests because I already have one for myself, and I also use white flannels. So these are for my guests, for my girls when they come over. And I have a lot of bar hand soaps because that's what I use in the bathroom. I like giving people the option, so I have the liquid and I also have bar soaps. So I have quite a few. I've got the tea tree, which I'm looking. Oh gosh. I've got the tea tree, which I'm looking forward to using. I've got what I want here, Satsuma. This smells really nice though. I really like this scent from Body Shop. It's quite refreshing. You really open up your nose. And I've also got the almond milk and honey. So you know, so this is gonna be really moisturizing on the hands. And I also have coconut. I really like coconut as a body scent. I don't know, something about it just reminds me of home, just all of that little earth feel there. So I've also got this one. And I've been using this a lot, but I haven't been consistent with using it, and that's the Body Shop ginger shampoo and conditioner, because I have really dry scalp and dry skin, and this works well because it really removes whatever oils and stuff that you have on your hair, and then it just cleans it. Like when you clean your hair with this, when you wash your hair with this, you feel like your hair wash, like really and truly. That's how nice it is. So I really like this one. I have the shampoo as well, and I've been using tea tree skin cleansing wash, and I also use a tea tree essential oil. I use those under my dark areas like my armpits, my thighs, and it really helps to just give me an even toned skin, and it just clear up any dark marks that you might have. So here is the ginger shampoo that I told you guys about. I would honestly recommend it. Like, I've seen a difference with my scalp. It really helps with dry and flaky scalp. And then my good sis Deja also got me these boxers. These are from Primark, but the quality is undefeated. Like, the quality, it's so thick, and you know it has the band around the waistline, so you know when you pull it up your waist, she just disappear. Like, we not know what is a waist, by the way. I don't know what you're talking about, but yeah, thanks for that, Deja. Again, more bar soap. This one is British Rose. I've never used it before, so I'm going to give that a try. Again, these are all good in the bathroom for guests, because I don't wash with these kind of soaps. This is the this nice. I have to spray it because it's so nice, guys. I wish you could smell this. This is a body and hair misting spray, but we know when I put it on our hair, we never ever put this in our hair. That the hair is something I make for our kind of people, but the scent that it gives off, I really only use it in the room. Like, I use it as an air freshener because it really gives me like a homey, I don't know, like a warm scent. And then I also have some mini size hand sanitizer. So obviously these are for the handbags. I have a few more stuff, but nothing great. We've got the face mask. You guys know this is one of my favorite face masks. This and the one that Deja makes me. I think she's going to start her skincare line soon. We'll claim it, we'll manifest it, and when she does, I'll definitely give you guys all the info on that. And sis also gave me this. Lisania was using it this morning. Oh my god, why is the lighting like this? But yeah, Lisania was using this. It's the Body Shop ginger hair scalp serum and the girl hair moisturize. So I'm looking forward to using this on my scalp. And I also have an oil balancing toner, which I'm going to be using in my face. I'm going to be using it on my face just to try to clear up these small spots. I kind of like these though, it make me different. But yeah, it just kind of just clear up any little blemishes that may come during my menstrual or anything like that. But yeah, this is the seaweed one. I think that's all. Yeah, I have a few stuff here, guys, but I don't think it's anything worth showing. It's just a few more skincare stuff, some lip balms, which I'm using one of them right now, which I really like because it gives me like a pink undertone. But this is everything that I have for now. For the home, I'm going to go and set up this, and I'm also going to be doing a mini haul on Instagram. So if you want to see more sneak peeks, like if you want the early access, make sure that you follow me on Instagram at _JAYXOS. And again, a big thank you guys for staying with me today. Thank you for helping me unbox all of the stuff for the home. Honestly, like, this is one of the best decisions I've made in a very long time. And I'm loving the space. I'm loving the stillness. You guys can hear, literally, I don't hear anyone. Like, it's the silence for me. It's the silence, it's the stillness for me. I've got such a great peace of mind. You guys can see I'm a lot more consistent now. The content I roll, the content just a come off on, so boom boom boom. But yeah, you guys get the gist. Follow me, and again, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.